Hello YouTube followers. First of all, welcome back to my channel Classic Fashion Ideas. I hope all of you are fine and good and doing well in your lives. So now without wasting any further sort of time, let's move to the details of this video. And before going to the details, I have a humble request for you that if you are watching that and you haven't subscribed our channel, then kindly please subscribe our channel, and while subscribing please do press the bell icon button so that you could remain notified with the latest uploads and updates of this channel. And one more thing, kindly do watch our videos till end, and if you like the videos, kindly like the video and share the video in your social circle. Now let's move to the details. In this video I'm here with you along with a very stylish, beautiful, simple, unique and exquisite and extremely eye-catching hand embroidered designs of handbags. And handbags vary in sizes, that is full length, sack bag, shoulder bag, hand carries, sidearm bags, clutches, purses, and even purse covers of glasses or any sort of accessory that you want to carry out in it. That is like you could have it your vanity box, just like having your makeup stuff in that, having your stationery stuff like pencils, scales, erasers and stuff like that. Anything you want to carry out, there are different sizes of purses. So these designs are composed of very unique, simple and stylish type embroidery designs, and these embroidery designs are based on one, two or maximum three sort of three types of hand embroidery stitches, and most of them are based on lazy daisy stitch, stem stitch, fly stitch, chain stitch and twisted knot stitch. Nothing more than this. If you are familiar enough with one or two sort of hand stitches, then you could design entire of these design patterns, design collections. So one more request, that kindly do watch the video till end and make a routine of visiting our channel on daily basis so that you could get all the amazing, stylish and trendy design ideas related to women fashion. Up till then, take care, goodbye, and we will again come up with some new stylish and trendy fashion ideas. Bye.